Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
I will leave my people peacefully inside. Nothing Please come out with this place. Let us set out of this. Please let us conduct ourselves in peacefully. Please come out with this Anybody who fight, see, anybody who fight, they show me. Go back. Come on. How far now? Make it fair. Shama, can't stay here. Let's see. Very robust, very accountable payment platform that can be used not only for university workers but for all workers in Nigeria, and will be able to detect fraud from government. The reason why there's so much resistance to UTAS is because it is a system that cannot condone corruption. Also, we are demanding that government at both federal and state level should stop making universities constituency projects. Universities are universal entities, and if any government must establish university, it must be ready to make that university globally competitive. A situation where public universities will be on strike and government will be licensing private universities is antithetical to the development of our society. And finally, we are demanding increased funding for education in Nigeria. Societies that are making progress are doing so because of investment in the education sector. When Nigeria has invested heavily in our education sector, Nigeria reaped the benefit. When we stop that investment, we can see the whirlwind. So it is imperative for government to increase funding for education, renegotiate and conclude the agreement, deploy UTAS, and stop the proliferation of universities in Nigeria.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. workers. Greatest Nigerian workers. Today is an important day for us. We are on the streets marching for the soul of education in this country. We are here today because for 5 months, our university has been shut down because of the insensitivity and irresponsibility of our government. A government that has shown lack of care, lack of concern about education. A government that keep on establishing university as expensive projects, but yet refuse to fund university. A government that has continued to use starvation as a weapon against lawful workers. They are protesting, they are struggling for the advancement of education in this country. Nigerian workers in the university system and Nigerian lecturers are underpaid. A professor at bar in Nigeria is earning 416,000 after tax. That is deplorable, that is shameful, that is damnable, that is unpardonable, and that is unachievable. We cannot continue like this. Our university are no longer globally competitive. We no longer attract scholars and our colleagues from other parts of the world because we have decayed infrastructure. This government has continued to lie, continue to promise without fulfilling it, and we have agreements that have been unfulfilled. We are here to ask Nigerians to join us in ensuring that this government do the needful. We are tired to be at home. We love doing our work, and strike is a last option for us. Strike are forced on us by an irresponsible and uncaring government. A government that wants to develop and that cares about development and its people must invest in education, particularly university education. A government that cares about university education cannot be imposing a corrupt, fraudulent, obsolete, and exploitative IBPIs on the university system. We call for immediate abolition of this and the adoption of UTAS in the university system because it takes care of our peculiarity, university autonomy, and it will not continue on the present system where people who are working behind and getting benefit from IPPIs continue to get our own money. All said and done, Nigerians, this is our struggle. It is struggle for the soul of this country. This country is rich. There's enough money to go around and to fund education, except for the greed of our leaders. We must stop this plutocracy. We must stop this government by hopes for hopes and in the benefit of whole greed. We must install a government that cares for the people and is all educated. Thank you very much. Adelaja Odukola Olukoya. Adelaja Odukola Olukoya. Zonal coordinator Asuu in Lagos Zone. Thank you.
Nigerian workers. Nigerian workers. The reason why we are here is the issue of a federal government Asuu disagreement. For the past 5 months, our students have been at home. And it's against the backdrop of the federal government and Asuu agreement in 2009. Also, federal government and SANU agreement in 2009. That's why we are agitating that federal government should honor a gentleman agreement. Already there was a memorandum of understanding, there was a memorandum of action that federal government should implement the agreement we made with all the staff union in the universities. But what we are having now is the naming bricks committee set up by the federal government. Naming bricks committee has been one-sided committee that seems to be favors the academic staff against the non-academic staff. We need equal treatment for all university workers. All university workers contribute equally to the advancement of the education system in Nigeria. What we need is equal treatment for everyone. There is a pending agreement between federal government and SANU, and the federal government to respect it. For the full resumption of academic activities in our university, federal government must come on board and respect our agreement. We are equal partner in the progress of the education system in Nigeria. We want our reward in this world, not in the hereafter. Let us give our reward. My name is Padekotu Wahid, General Secretary, Senior Staff Association of Lagos State, Senior Staff Association of Nigeria University, Lagos State University Chapter.
I am Comrade Ojomo Peter Douglas, representing National Association of Academic Technologists from University of Lagos. We are here this afternoon to protest the insensitivity of the government towards complying and obeying the agreement that was reached on concessions since 2009. The agreement was due for renegotiation about 8 years ago. It was not done, and this is 30th year since the last negotiation. And in the course of this negotiation, the government is not committed to the genuine demand as it contained in the agreement. Immediately, we went on board to protest this insensitivity of the government. The government decides to stop our salary immediately, which is against the ILO resolution, which is, we see it as autocratic, we see it as inhumane, we see it as a way of starving Nigerian workers to death, which is not in the interest of federal university. We are now happy that our students have been home for the past 6 months. There is no country that will survive without education, and Nigeria cannot be an exception. We are demanding that government should come and negotiate properly and return our students back to school while we go back to work too. Great Nigerian workers. Comrade Ojewo Peter Douglas.
I'm not chairman. Talk.
My name I want to join other unions in the tertiary institution to press the federal government to respect and renegotiate the 2009 agreement and meet our demands. And it should stop the automatically and segregating the union. All unions in tertiary institutions are working. So what is good for the bees are equally good for the danger. Thank you very much.
What's your name, sir? What's your name?
Comrade Shegun Elewuru. Non-academic staff union, Lagos State.
NUT, where is that?
Nigerian workers!
1 minute.
Today, we are out to solidarize with Asuu. Lecturer be teacher, whether in secondary school, in primary school, or university. Teacher na teacher.
You are talking.
Secondary school products. They are the raw materials for the university. There must be connectivity. No break in chain. So we will receive everything humanly possible that we create in the education sector in Nigeria. I am leaving you with this statement that you will echo with me, that we teach you, don't cheat us. We teach you, don't cheat us. We teach you, don't cheat us. Solidarity.
What's your name?
I am Comrade Akitoye, the state chairman Nigerian Union of Teachers, Lagos State.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.